it aside God, nothing comes in. Others to invest. So many of us will say, harvest is a day where we eat rice in the church. Let me tell you, harvest is beyond that. A fellow man, when he helps you, the way you use to appreciate him determine if he will help you again. Not to talk of God. The manner you use in telling him thank you determine if he will render another help to you. It's all determined. Harvest to invest. I don't want to waste our time. I want you to break your Bible. Skip to that 37 and 38. That same Psalm 107. Read verse 37 and 38. Psalm 107 verse 37 and 38.
Psalm 107.
Yes. There
Which may yield
fruit of increase. Verse 38.
38. He blessed them also, so that they are multiplied greatly, and from suffereth of their heart
To decrease. He said, and he sowed the field, and he planted vineyard, which may yield fruits in increase. What you plant determine what will comes out. What you sow determine what you will reap. Anything you sow, that is what you will reap. You can't plant yam and expect cocoyam. Despite it too has yam. When you choose not to appreciate him, it has no cost. Those who will appreciate him will get the benefit of appreciating God. When a man has two sons, and one decided to be humble to the father, anytime the father give him things, when the father said go here, he said yes sir. When he said sit down, he said yes sir. When he said do this for me, he said yes sir. When he give him something, he said thank you. Always appreciating God at all times, loyal to him, just like a son is loyal to the father. It will get to a time when these two sons will need something. It is the loyal one and the grateful one that will get the benefit first. In a sense, the Bible said, he said, give thanks to him, for he is great and mighty, for his works are wonderful. He said, give thanks to him. This is a day set aside to appreciate God. This is a day set aside to appreciate him. Because the appreciation you give today is your investment of gratitude you have sowed today that you will reap tomorrow. Because when you are thankful, your tank will always come full. This is a great God whose mercies endureth forever. If not for the mercies of God, I and you, what could have happened? His blessings is the reason why we are shining today. It's the reason why. I say grace will locate you today. That your amen is a junior class amen. That your amen is helpless. That your amen is suffering from epilepsy. Can you shut up or can you stand up and shout a better amen? Sit as a king and a queen that you are. He said he will never suffer their cattle to decrease. Oh, their soul will give forth increase. This is a covenant. When you read the book of Genesis 26, when you read from verse 12 and 13, the Bible said, it said, Isaac saw in that same land, that same year, he reaped 100-fold. He reaped 100-fold. It is what you invest that you harvest. It is what you invest, you harvest, man of God. What you invest, that is what you harvest. Harvest is a period of telling him thank you and preparing the next year ahead of you. Telling him thank you. So many people look at you and say, when it comes to harvest time, you want to give God all your life. They don't know the secret behind your giving, the secret behind your growth, the secret behind the increase in that your business. It is what you take today to go. As an harvest, that is what you will invest into.